everyone, I'm Bhavna Sani and I'm back with the new video for class 10th and आज के वीडियो में हम कवर कर रहे हैं sample number 27. So yes, we are doing sample number 27. We are on day 27 of 30 days sample paper challenge. तो अब वही है, सब टाइम अलॉटेड, पैटर्न, जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शन, एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ठीक है. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद सेक्शन ए. सेक्शन ए हमारा रीडिंग स्किल्स है, 20 मार्क्स का है, 2 क्वेश्चन है, 10 मार्क्स ईच. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेट्स रीड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पैसेज का फर्स्ट पार्ट. Which of the characteristics are appropriate about the writer in the following context? I know I have limits and that I have reached them, but I'm going to ignore them and see if or how long I can get by with it. ठीक है. So I know I have limits and that I have reached them, but I'm going to ignore them and see if or how long I can get by with it. Is it negligent or recklessness, or recklessness and purposeless? C, indecisive and reckless, and D, negligent and patient. तो इनमें से हमने एक डिसाइड करना है. So which of the characteristics are appropriate about the writer in the following context? ठीक है. So let's start. The choices we make on daily basis, wearing a seat belt, lifting heavy objects correctly, or purposely staying out of any dangerous situation can either ensure our safety or bring about potentially harmful circumstances. You and I need to make a decision that we are going to get our lives in order. Exercising self-control, self-discipline, and establishing boundaries and borders in our lives are some of the most important things we can do. A life without disciple is one that's filled with carelessness. We can think it's kind of exciting to live life on the edge. We like the image of, yeah, that's me living on the edge. Woohoo! It's become a popular way to look at life. But if you see, even highways have lines which provide margins for our safety while we are driving. If we go over one side, we'll go into the ditch. If we cross over the line in the middle, we could get killed. And we like those lines because they help to keep us safe. Sometimes we don't even realize how lines help to keep us safe. I am not proud of this, but for the first 20 years of my life at work, I ignored my limits. I felt horrible physically most of the time. I used to tell myself I know I have limits and that I have reached them. Here, this line, I know I have limits and that I have reached them, but I'm going to ignore them and see if or how long I can get by with it. I ran to doctors trying to make myself feel better through pills, vitamins, natural stuff, and anything I could get my hands on. Some of the doctors would tell me it's just stress. That's just made me mad. I thought stress meant you don't like what you do or can't handle life, and I love what I do. But I kept pushing myself, traveling, doing speaking, engagement, and so on, simply exhausting myself. Finally, I understood I was living an unsustainable life and needed to make some changes in my outlook and lifestyle. Clear? ये जो line underline करिए, इससे related first question है. ठीक है. So you and I don't have to be like everyone else or keep up with everyone else. Each of us needs to be exactly the way we are, and we don't have to apologize for it. We are not all alike, and we need to find a comfort zone in which we can enjoy our lives instead of making ourselves sick with an overload of stress and pressure. So which of the following characteristics are appropriate about the writer according to the passage? I know I have limits and that I have reached them, but I'm going to ignore them and see if or how long I can get by with it. So this is negligence and reckless. ठीक है. यहाँ पे पोएट की नेग्लिजेंस और रेकलेसनेस को शो किया जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज दैट what does the writer advise us to do and avoid being careless in life? Rationalize your response in 40 words. तो ऑथर ने क्या कहा था? ऑथर ने कहा था सेल्फ कंट्रोल को एक्सरसाइज करो, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन को एक्सरसाइज करो, ये सब ऑथर ने कहा था. ठीक है. उसने ये भी कहा था बाउंड्रीज को इस्टेब्लिश करो. ठीक है. एंड मोर ओवर ही ऑल्सो सेड दैट कि वी शुड हैव अ डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ एंड हमें केयरलेसनेस को अवॉइड करना चाहिए. राइट. तो ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे मेंशन्ड है. एक्सरसाइजिंग सेल्फ कंट्रोल, self-discipline, establishing boundaries and borders in our life are some of the most important things we can do. A life without discipline is that once filled with carelessness. ठीक है, अगर हमारी लाइफ विदाउट डिसिप्लिन है दैट मीन्स वी आर केयरलेस, ठीक है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑथर, एक्सरसाइजिंग सेल्फ कंट्रोल, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन एंड एस्टैब्लिशिंग बाउंड्रीज एंड बॉर्डर्स इन आवर लाइफ आर सम ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स वी कैन डू टू हैव डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ एंड अवॉइड केयरलेसनेस. क्लियर, ये ऑथर ने हमें एडवाइस किया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस एप्रोप्रिएटली. द ऑथर हैज अ सिंपल टेक ऑन either avoiding stress in our lives or de-stressing ourselves by. या तो हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए स्ट्रेस, ठीक है, या अपने आप को डिस्ट्रेस करना चाहिए. कैसे? बाय एक्सेप्टिंग द वे वी आर एंड नॉट ट्राइंग टू कीप अप विद अदर्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये मेंशन है, आई डोंट हैव टू बी लाइक एवरीवन एल्स और कीप अप विद एवरीवन एल्स. ईच ऑफ अस नीड टू बी एग्जैक्टली द वे वी आर एंड वी डोंट हैव टू अपोलोजाइज ऑफ व्हाट वी आर for it. We are not all alike and we need to find a comfort zone in. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप ये आंसर कर सकते हो, अपने वर्ड्स में भी लिख सकते हो और एज इट इज भी लिख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, द पैसेज इंक्लूड सम वर्ड्स दैट आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर फ्रॉम द सेट ए टू ई बिलो. आइडेंटिफाई टू सेट्स ऑफ कंटेक्चुअल सिनोनिम्स. सिनोनिम्स की बात हो रही है, दैट मीन्स सिमिलर वर्ड्स. ठीक है, सेफ्टी एंड हार्म नहीं, सिनोनिम नहीं है. एवरीवन एंड एनीवन नहीं. स्ट्रेस एंड प्रेशर इज सिनोनिम. अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं, स्ट्रेस एंड प्रेशर इज सिनोनिम. फिर उसके बाद डिसिप्लिन एंड केयरलेसनेस नो. करेक्टली एंड पर्पसली इज सिनोनिम. नेक्स्ट आता है, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस एप्रोप्रिएटली. द ऑथर रिटेरिएट्स दैट लिविंग लाइफ ऑन द एज हैज बिकम पॉपुलर. अब ऑथर ने बोला है कि वी आर लिविंग लाइफ ऑन द एज. ये बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया. क्यों? बिकॉज मोस्ट पीपल थिंक दैट इट इज एक्साइटिंग एंड so it has become popular way of looking at life. ये ऊपर mention है, he rated that living life on the edge has become popular because most people think it is exciting and so it has become popular way of looking at life. ठीक है, यहाँ पे समझ आया. so यहाँ पे mention किया हुआ है, we can think it kind of exciting to live life on the edge. ठीक है, so this is it becomes a popular way to look at life. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर आपको इस पैराग्राफ में मिल गया. देन मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question says that based on the reading of the passage, examine in about 40 words. How can this quote? Balance is not something you find. It's something you create. Balance is not something you find. It's something you create. Is justified by the author. Yes, it is justified by the author. Author ने ये बोला है कि we have to make our choices very correctly. हमें डिसिप्लिन को चूज करना चाहिए, हमारे लाइफस्टाइल को सस्टेनेबल बनाना चाहिए. ठीक है, we should not rush all the time. ये mentioned है पैराग्राफ में. We should make even everyday choices correctly and purposely. Cultivate self-discipline and make our lifestyle sustainable by not rushing all the time. Competing with others on continuous basis can stress one out. In short, the author advises be yourself. ठीक है, and here in the last paragraph, author advises that you have to be yourself. Everyone are alike and you cannot compete with each other. ठीक है, to be like same, right? It is a stress. समझ आया? फिर उसके बाद yes, we are moving on to the next question. Complete the statement appropriately. The phrase potentially harmful circumstances refer to circumstances that can. Potentially harmful circumstances है, वो कौन से harmful circumstances है? Be possibly dangerous, yes. Certainly be dangerous, seldom be dangerous, be fairly dangerous. So be possibly dangerous refers to potentially harmful circumstances. अगर मैं 8th की बात करूँ, the stanza from a poem given below has few words missing. Fill in the blanks with suitable word. Sometimes life is overwhelming and it seems like there is no place to turn. There is dash, मतलब there के साथ easy लगता है. There is no one looking out for you and you feel your stomach churn. Clear? तो passage 1 तो बहुत easy था. We are moving on to passage 2 and passage 2 move करने से पहले let's read the question of passage 2. Answer the following question based on the passage. Complete the following blank appropriately based on your understanding of paragraph 2. Paragraph 2 से ये question है, but 1 और 2 दोनों पढ़ेंगे हम. We can say that funnel spiders and trapdoor spiders building structure to trap insect for food is comparable with a rat trap set for a mouse, but with a big difference. ठीक है, अब समझ आया ये? Let's read this. The most characteristic feature of spider is their ability to produce silken thread. Spiders normally have 6 fingers like 6 glands called spinnerets. ठीक है, located beneath their abdomen. To spin a web, the spider squeezes the silk out of its body through two small holes. The liquid silk is thicker than water and dries into a fine thread as soon as it comes in contact with air. Spider silk is much stronger than the steel and resists breakage because of its elasticity. It can stretch up to 140% of its original length. The diameter of this silken thread is about 10,000 of an inch. A spider use the silk to make web to trap prey. The egg sacs of some spider are also made of silk, which pre-treats the unborn progeny. Sometimes a spider can also use its silk as a safety feature. A certain species of spider, Pheidopus apprecians, trails a safety line of fine silk as it jumps. It uses the silk line to recover if it misses its target. The silk of NFL spider is the strongest natural fiber known. The spinning of web is a remarkable example of instinctive behavior. A spider does not have to learn how to make a web. Although spinning itself can be adopted to a unique circumstances. For example, orb webs are circular in shape and take an hour to build. Funnel spider pin a net-like entrance to their homes, which helps to trap food. Similarly, trapdoor spider dig their homes and spin a trapdoor out of their silk for trapping इंसेक्ट. तो इंसेक्ट इज लाइक अ रैट ट्रैप. अब उन्होंने रैट ट्रैप को और स्पाइडर वेब से क्या डिफरेंस दिखाया हुआ है? दोनों है सेम. रैट ट्रैप में रैट को ट्रैप किया जाता है, स्पाइडर वेब में इंसेक्ट्स को ट्रैप किया जाता है. लेकिन डिफरेंस ये है, रैट ट्रैप में हमें बेट डालनी पड़ती है लाइक चीज और रोटी और समथिंग लाइक दैट टू ट्रैप द रैट. लेकिन हमें इसमें ऐसे नहीं करना पड़ता, स्पाइडर वेब में हमें ऐसे नहीं करना पड़ता. ठीक है, समझ आया? सो यस, इसका आंसर यही हुआ. A rat trap will necessarily have a bait, but spider's web won't. यही हो गया. Fill in the blanks with appropriate option from those given in bracket based on your understanding of paragraph 1. अब बोला गया है spider silk is much stronger than steel and resist breakage because of its elasticity. It can stretch up to 140% of its original length, and it is a fact or an opinion. It is a fact. ये factual awareness है और ये fact है, तो ये objective detail मानी जाएगी, ये judgment नहीं मानी जाएगी. Opinion judgment होता है. ठीक है. Now justify the following in about 40 words. Spiders are indicators of healthy system. They are great indicators of healthy system. इसका आंसर हमने ढूंढना है. ठीक है. And yes, अभी first two stanza में तो नहीं मिला था. Let's start reading the third one. As integral component of our biosphere, spiders have an intrinsic existence value. They are efficient predators. They play an important role in controlling the pest of cotton. तो ये आ गया. They plays an important role. They are efficient predators that plays an important role in controlling the pest of cotton. They are also a source of food for other creatures such as birds and webs. Thus, the presence of spider is an ecological indicator signaling the health of natural ecosystem. तो आप इसमें पूरा पैराग्राफ अपने वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो और इसको सेम एज इट इज भी लिख सकते हो. सो यस, spiders help in controlling the pests on cotton. They are also a source of food for other creatures such as birds and wasps. Thus, the presence of spider is an ecological indicator signaling the health of natural ecosystem. Clear? फिर next आता है, based on the passage name two species each of spider found in our home and outdoor. ठीक है, हमारे घरों में और कौन सी species मिलती है? So according to this you can answer. They are typically found in fields and garden. They do not need web. They catch prey, track down insects and pounce them. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद आता है found in houses, sheds and garage. तो ये आ गया common house spider. फिर आता है spotted outside leaves, wood or rock prints. They are web are weaved in grass visible for morning dews. ठीक है. So एक तो common house spider होता है अवेलेबल. फाउंड इन होम्स, फिशर स्पाइडर एंड कॉमन हाउस स्पाइडर. फाउंड आउटडोर भी आप उस टेबल में से आंसर करते हो. ब्लैक एंड येलो गार्डन स्पाइडर एंड वुड हाउस हंटिंग स्पाइडर. ठीक है. अब फिफ्थ आता है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर डज द ऑथर से द स्पाइडर एग्जिबिट व्हेन एट वर्क? स्टेट वन इन्फ्लुएंस दैट कैन बी ड्रॉन. तो उन्होंने बोला था दे कैन स्पिन अ वेब, ये हमने पढ़ा था. उन्हें लर्न नहीं करना पड़ता, दे ऑलरेडी हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ स्पिनिंग. एंड इट इज एवोल्यूशनरी। ये आपका पैराग्राफ 2 में मेंशन है, ठीक है। इट इज देयर इंस्टिंक्टिव बिहेवियर दैट डज नॉट हैव टू it does not have to learn how to make a web, although spinning itself can be adopted to a unique circumstances. क्लियर, समझ आया। फिर आता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट करेक्टली डिस्प्लेज व्हाट थ्रेड सिग्निफाइज। दिस इज द प्रोसेस, दीज आर सेकेंड वन थ्रेड, दिस इज एट द रेट वाला थ्रेड, दिस इज the person, and this is the spider web. So we are talking about the threads of the spider web. So yes, only picture number 5 signifies thread according to the passage. ठीक है। फिर आता है इन्फर वन बेनिफिट एंड वन ड्रॉबैक ऑफ हैविंग स्पाइडर वेदर एट होम और इन द गार्डन। अभी हमने पढ़ा कि भाई ये लोग इंसेक्ट्स को ट्रैप करते हैं, ठीक है। गार्डन जो है वो पेस्ट को कंट्रोल में रखता है, ठीक है, समझ आया। दे एक्ट एज अ पेस्ट ऑल्सो, ठीक है। दे आर यूजफुल इन प्रोटेक्टिंग कॉटन क्रॉप्स, ये अभी हमने पढ़ा। कीपिंग आवर होम्स एंड फार्म्स एंड गार्डन्स फ्री ऑफ पेस्ट, ये आपने पैराग्राफ 2 में पढ़ा है और 3 में पढ़ा है, ठीक है। सो हाउ स्पाइडर मेक वेब्स इन सीलिंग एंड विंडोज कॉर्नर टू ट्रैप इंसेक्ट एट आवर होम, whereas the garden spider keep the pest in the garden at bay. For example, spiders are particularly useful in protecting cotton crops and keeping our homes, farms and gardens free of pests. Clear? अब 8th की बात करते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इनकरेक्ट फैक्ट अबाउट द स्पाइडर फ्रॉम द स्टडी मेंशन्ड इन द पैसेज। अब इसमें से इनकरेक्ट फैक्ट, वुड हाउस हंटिंग स्पाइडर लिव ऑन लीव्स एंड वुड्स, ये अभी हमने पढ़ा है वो बॉक्स में, तो दिस इज करेक्ट। हमें इनकरेक्ट ढूंढना है। नाफिल स्पाइडर वीव द सिल्कीस्ट वेब नोन, तो ये गलत है, हमने ये नहीं पढ़ा। स्पिनिंग कैन बी अडॉप्टेड टू यूनिक सर्कमस्टांसेस, ये भी हमने पैराग्राफ 2 में पढ़ा है। द एग सैक्स ऑफ सम स्पाइडर आर आल्सो मेड ऑफ सिल्क, ये भी हमने पैराग्राफ 2 में पढ़ा है। सो हमने सिर्फ नाफिल स्पाइडर्स वीव द सिल्कीस्ट वेब नोन, ये इनकरेक्ट है, ठीक है। और करेक्ट वन पैराग्राफ 2 में मेंशन भी है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा पैसेज 2 भी कंप्लीट होता है। नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू सेक्शन बी, और सेक्शन बी में ग्रामर भी है, राइटिंग स्किल्स भी है। टोटल 20 मार्क्स के, 10 मार्क्स की ग्रामर है, 10 मार्क्स की राइटिंग स्किल्स है। क्लियर? ग्रामर की अगर मैं बात करूँ, देयर आर 12 क्वेश्चंस एंड आउट ऑफ 12 यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी 10 क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। सो कंप्लीट एनी 10 आउट ऑफ 12 और हर एक क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क का है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बाय चूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस। This time tomorrow, I dash on the beaches of Hawaii away from the noise of civilization. So this time tomorrow, tomorrow की बात हो रही है, तो मतलब future हो गया, ठीक है। tomorrow I will lie नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये बताया on the beaches मतलब for a long time वो होगा, तो will lie नहीं होगा। will be lying नहीं होगा, स्पेलिंग गलत है, लाइंग भी, विल बी लाइंग करेक्ट है, वुड हैव लाइड नहीं होगा। सो दिस टाइम टुमारो आई विल बी लाइंग ऑन द बीचेस ऑफ द हवाई फ्रॉम द नॉइज ऑफ अवे फ्रॉम द नॉइज ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन। फिर आता है रीड द कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस बाय रिपोर्टिंग देयर कॉन्वर्सेशन। हरमन सेड इफ आई वर अ किंग आई वुड ट्रैवल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। पुलकित सेड यू आर जस्ट ड्रीमिंग माई फ्रेंड। Herman said that if he had been a king, he would have traveled all over the world. Pulkit, on hearing his friend, commented that, अब उसने क्या बोला था? You are just daydreaming my friend, ठीक है। तो my friend तो नहीं लिखेंगे, you की जगह he हो जाएगा, R की जगह was हो जाएगा, dreaming ऐसे ही रहेगा, he was just daydreaming. Clear? Then moving on to the third part. Select the correct option to fill in the blanks for the given line from an environmental maxim. Over the past 30 years or so, the quality of many people's life dash in some respect because of technological progress. तो ये बताया गया खराब हो गई, तो हैज वर्सेंट नहीं होगा, ठीक है। तो क्वालिटी की बात हो रही है तो हैज ही यूज होगा, ठीक है। प्रेजेंट टेंस में है तो हैड वाला तो हम यूज नहीं कर सकते। हैव सफर्ड नहीं होगा, हैज डिटोरेटेड होगा, वॉज वर्स नहीं होगा, ठीक है। तो over the past 30 years the quality of many people life has deteriorated in some respect because of technological progress. Next आता है select the option that identify the error and supplies the correction of the following line from a short ghost story. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or radio but without any more fuel in my tank. ब्लैक एरोप्लेन का गिवन है ये, ठीक है। उसके बाद एरर बतानी है इसमें। अच्छा, इसमें एरर बतानी है। देखो, अगर ऑप्शन गिवन है ना तो मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट रीड द ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, पहले एरर ढूंढना फिर ऑप्शन बताना, ठीक है। So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or radio and without any more finite? तो but क्यों आएगा, इसकी जगह and आएगा. Clear? तो इसकी जगह and आएगा. तो देखते हैं but और and इसमें है, तो but और and, yes, C part is the correct answer. Clear? Complete the given narrative by filling the blanks with the correct option. Was still much of our building effort dash into construction of more and more large office blocks at the expense of much needed housing of the growing urban population. Was still much of our building effort has been, have been नहीं होगा क्योंकि effort की बात हो रही है, तो it होता है, it के साथ has लगता है, are भी नहीं होगा, were भी नहीं होगा, तो has been channeled. ठीक है. फिर next question आता है, fill in the blanks by using the correct form of word in the bracket for the given portion of a letter. Through the column of your reputable newspaper, I wish to make the poor aware of growing need for alternate source of energy and the advantages of solar power. तो I wish to make is the correct option. ठीक है. Next आता है, read the dialogue between by completing the sentence. Let us go and look at the school ground, said the sports teacher. Are we going to play the final match today? asked the student. So when the sport teacher invited the student to have a look at the school ground, they asked him, ठीक है, question है, तो question WH family से शुरू नहीं हो रहा है, तो question है तो that तो नहीं लगेगा. ठीक है. मोर ओवर क्वेश्चन WH फैमिली से नहीं शुरू हो रहा, आर से शुरू होता है, तो आज इफ लगेगा या वेदर लगेगा, कुछ भी लगा सकते हो. ठीक है. इन दोनों की जगह इंटरचेंज हो जाएगी क्योंकि हम क्वेश्चन को स्टेटमेंट में चेंज करें तो सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब की जगह इंटरचेंज हो जाते हैं. तो वी की जगह आ जाएगा दे. ठीक है. आर की जगह आ जाएगा वर. इफ दे वर गोइंग टू प्ले द फाइनल मैच टुडे की जगह आ जाएगा दैट डे. ठीक है. टुडे की जगह आ जाएगा दैट डे. Clear? So if they were going to play the final match that day. Identify the error in the given statement from a school magazine report and supply the correction. The weather was too risky for neither any movement in the sky or on land. और है ना, और के साथ neither नहीं लगता, तो यहाँ आएगा either in the sky or in the land, क्योंकि too risky बोला हुआ है, तो neither भी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. either और. ठीक है. Clear? Moving on to the next question. Report the following dialogue between a parent and a child watching an eclipse. Child, let us go and see the solar eclipse. Parents, don't look directly at the sun, wear your tinted glasses. A child suggested his parent that they should go out and see the solar eclipse. The parents advised him to not look directly at the sun. To, don't की जगह आएगा to, not, look directly at the sun. ठीक है. कॉमा, wear his tinted glasses. Clear? अब 10th part करते हैं. Identify the given sentence and supply the correction. I left my purse at home. Should you lend me $100? Should you lend me? Should तो advice के लिए use होता है ना, तो यहाँ पे use होगा could you lend me $100. ठीक है. अब 11th की बात करते हैं. Select the correct option to complete the narration of the dialogue. I said I am not going to school. Mother said, okay, finish all the household chores today and I will rest. When I told mother that, अब उसने क्या बोला, when I told mother that I was not going to school, simple present is simple past tense में हो जाएगा. ठीक है. I was not going to school. She told me to finish all the household chores and that I will rest की जगह आता है she would rest. ठीक है. तो she would ये हो गया या ये हो गया, इन दोनों में से होगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद I am नहीं होगा, past tense में चेंज होगा, I was not going to school, तो हो गया आंसर B part. ठीक है. Identify the error on the signboard in a parking lot and supply the correction. Please pay your parking fee before exiting होगा, existing नहीं होगा. Please pay your parking fee before exiting. Clear? तो यहाँ पे हमारा ग्रामर पार्ट भी खत्म. Now we are moving on to writing part. और मैं writing part की बात करूँ तो there are 2 questions in writing part, 5 marks each. तो पूरा writing 10 marks का हो गया. अब जो पहला question है that is question number 4 of writing. ठीक है. इसमें हमें letter आएगा. There are 2 letters. You have to attempt any one. So let's see this. Though there is a movement like Sam Shiksha Abhiyan and enrolling of underprivileged children in school, there are still many children who do not go to school. Rather, they have seen a school. It is indeed disturbing. You decide to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your views and the steps to be taken. Write a letter in 100 to 120 word. Sign yourself as Siddharth Singh. Clear? सो अब हमें यहाँ पे लेटर लिखना है रिलेटेड टू सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. इस लेटर में कुछ मिस्टेक है. वी विल फाइंड आउट दोज मिस्टेक्स. क्लियर? एंड लेट्स सी फॉर्मेट करेक्ट है या नहीं है. तो जो आपका सेंडर्स एड्रेस है ना वो होता है 3 लाइन्स में. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे जो सेंडर्स एड्रेस है वो है आपका 2 लाइन्स में. सो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, हाउस नंबर 87A, फिर उसके नीचे साकेत कॉलोनी और फिर उसके नीचे न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है. उसके बाद यू हैव टू राइट द डेट 25 अक्टूबर के बाद कॉमा और फिर 2000 जो भी है परफेक्टली रिटन. फिर आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन द टाइम्स ऑफ द एडिटर द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया न्यू दिल्ली. ये भी बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. लेकिन यहाँ पे सैल्यूटेशन नहीं आता. सबसे पहले आता है सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट इज एजुकेटिंग द अंडर प्रिविलेज और उसके बाद आपने सब्जेक्ट को अंडरलाइन करना है. ठीक है. यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट बिल्कुल ऐसे, एजुकेटिंग द अंडर प्रिविलेज. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन और उसके बाद आएगा आपका सर. ठीक है. उसके बाद आएगा सैल्यूटेशन सर. सर के नीचे से आपने शुरू करना है. Through the columns of your reputable newspaper या esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw your attention towards the movement Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, which aims at protecting knowledge to or providing knowledge to all children. Even the Act RTE also ensures education to all children between the age of 4 to 14. But these movements and acts do not show themselves implemented anywhere, especially in the underprivileged class. There are still many children who do not go to school. They either work as a domestic labor or work in factories, dhaba, etc. It is disturbing to note that our government's plan are not bearing any fruits. It is also because the lack of awareness towards these kinds of movement. ठीक है. अब ये जो पैराग्राफ है ना इसको हम 2 में डिवाइड कर देंगे क्योंकि जो पूरी बॉडी है हमारी वो 3 पैराग्राफ में आएगी. ठीक है. समझ आए? तो ये हो गया आपका पैराग्राफ 1. फिर उसके बाद यहाँ से यहाँ तक हो गया आपका पैराग्राफ 2. ठीक है. फिर हो गया आपका पैराग्राफ 3 दैट वी ऑल नीड द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रिंट मीडिया एज वेल एज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया टू स्प्रेड मैसेज ऑफ अवेयरनेस to the masses. The underprivileged children must be made to realize that they have the right to get education, so they must go to school. I hope you will pay attention to this noble cause and publish it in your newspaper. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद न्यूज़पेपर यहाँ पे पैराग्राफ खत्म होता है. यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन थैंकिंग यू. ठीक है. यहाँ पे जगह नहीं छोड़नी. योर्स फेथफुली या योर्स ट्रूली जो भी आपने लिखना है. उसके बाद आ गया सिद्धार्थ से. अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. इसके और पार्ट में क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. राइट अ लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ एन इंग्लिश डेली इन 100 to 120 words मेकिंग अ प्ली टू द कॉमन पीपल to switch over to solar energy to conserve electricity and limit electricity bill. You are दिव्यांश of 147 मयूर विहार. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहली मिस्टेक इसमें यही है कि जो आपका सेंडर्स एड्रेस है ना वो हमारा 3 लाइन्स में आएगा. ठीक है. दैट विल कम अंडर 3 लाइन्स. क्लियर? यू हैव टू लीव 1 लाइन आफ्टर दैट. सो ये हो गया हाउस नंबर 147 मयूर विहार फेस 1 नीचे आ गया. उसके नीचे न्यू दिल्ली आ गया. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन 11th April 2000 समथिंग. ठीक है. अप्रैल के बाद आएगा आपका कॉमा. डेट ऐसे ही आएगी. उसके बाद यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. द एडिटर द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स न्यू दिल्ली. फिर यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. सैल्यूटेशन नहीं आएगा. फिर सब्जेक्ट आएगा. सब्जेक्ट को आपने अंडरलाइन करना है. इवोकिंग अवेयरनेस टूवर्ड सोलर एनर्जी. अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. आफ्टर दैट सर आएगा सैल्यूटेशन. फिर सर के बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन से आप ये शुरू कर दोगे. सो थ्रू द कॉलम्स ऑफ योर रेप्यूटेबल न्यूज़पेपर आई विश टू मेक पीपल अवेयर ऑफ द ग्रोइंग नीड एंड डिमांड्स ऑफ सोलर पावर. Man has a desire to live a luxurious life, and for that he is over-consuming electricity. He does not realize that overuse would exhaust the treasure. We must conserve electricity, which is the need of the hour. यहाँ पे आपका पैराग्राफ 1 खत्म. Paragraph 2 ये रहा. But this conservation can only be done if we start using solar power system. Various kinds of solar system like solar cooker, solar lantern, solar heating, cooking system, solar water heater, etc. are available in the market. ठीक है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ होगा आपका. दी सोलर सिस्टम आर नॉन पोल्यूटिंग, दे आर इकोनॉमिकल एंड आर अवेलेबल इन डिफरेंट साइजेस. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू पब्लिश दिस लेटर in your newspaper to make people aware of the need of the conserving electricity and limit the electricity bill. ठीक है। उसके बाद यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन छोड़ के थैंकिंग यू योर्स फेथफुली दिव्यांश, यहाँ पे जगह नहीं छोड़नी और यहाँ पे भी जगह नहीं छोड़नी। अब जो आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ, 5 मार्क्स का है, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन। ठीक है। सो स्टडी द चार्ट गिवन बिलो विच इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द सर्वे कंडक्टेड इन द पब्लिक स्कूल्स एंड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स ऑफ दिल्ली. This depicts the tier of activities in the teenager aged 13 to 19 years they are involved during their leisure time. Write an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 word. तो analytical सब paragraph ये है आपका, ठीक है, हिस्टोग्राम बायोग्राफ दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, ड्यूल बायोग्राफ है, ठीक है, ये पब्लिक हो गया, ये गवर्नमेंट स्कूल हो गया, वॉचिंग टीवी, नेट सर्फिंग, सेल फोन, फ्रेंड्स, और ये परसेंटेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट हो गया। ठीक है। उसके बाद आता है, सबसे पहले जब आप शुरू करोगे अपना ये पैराग्राफ, यू हैव टू गिव टॉपिक के सीधे सीधे आपको मिल जाएंगे 1 मार्क। क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। जो लिखा है, जो मेंशन्ड है पैराग्राफ में, उसी को लिखना है आपने, उसी को समराइज करना है। Nowadays, the teenagers are more techno-savvy than the children used to be 10 years back. They do not play games like Ludo, Carom, chess, and other indoor games. 9 to 18% of the boys and girls in the age group of age 13 to 19 years possess their own cell phones. In the survey conducted recently on some 2,000 students of 2 leading schools, one government and the other one a public school, the following facts were revealed. While the students from public schools spend more of their leisure time in the net surfing and talking on cell phones, and the government school students spend it in watching TV and talking to their friends. ठीक है। अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं कौन सा एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ है। और पार्ट में आता है, द फॉलोइंग डेटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिस्टोग्राफ शोज दैट death due to non-violence has increased considerably during recent years. Write an analytical paragraph in 100 and 121 on how educated youth can play a major role in establishing peace in society. और इससे रिलेटेड ये आपको पैराग्राफ गिवन है 1990 से लेके 2010 तक कि कैसे कैसे वायलेंस बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो गया और डेथ ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो गई है ड्यू टू वायलेंस। ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले आपने टॉपिक देना है डेथ ड्यू टू वायलेंस. Youth and peace are interlinked in society. Youth can play an important role in establishing peace in society. In a survey conducted, it has been found that number of deaths due to violence has increased enormously since the 90s. Death rate in 2000 was 2.5 in 1990, but in 2010 it has increased to 7.5. It is really very sad. It must be checked. Our youth can play a major role in controlling this crime graph. They can contribute towards establishing peace in many ways. They can awaken the people towards the necessity of peace. They can help police in catching the criminals. They can bring the criminals in the mainstream by educating them, and they can do much more. क्लियर? अब आते हैं हम सेक्शन सी पे। सेक्शन सी है आपका लिटरेचर। लिटरेचर में आपने दोनों बुक कवर करनी है, फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट एंड फर्स्ट फ्लाइट। तो सबसे पहला जो लिटरेचर आपकी 40 मार्क्स की है, जो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है 6th क्वेश्चन, वो 5 मार्क्स का है। उसमें रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, इधर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट फ्लाइट और फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट, पर ये सिर्फ चैप्टर में से, तो जो सा चैप्टर अच्छे से आता होगा वो ही अटेम्प्ट करना। क्लियर? But Horace found that the flowers were hindering him in his work. He buried his nose in his handkerchief. Then he heard a voice say from the doorway, "What is it? A cold or hay fever?" Before he could think, Horace said hay fever and found himself sneezing again. The voice went on, "You can cure it with a special treatment. You know, if you find out just what plant gives you the disease. I think you would be better to see your doctor if you are serious about your work. I heard you from the top of the house just now." कौन से पोएम से है? अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ, कौन से चैप्टर से? अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट। ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट का चैप्टर है। State any one inference about Danby from the given context, but Horace found that the flowers were hindering him in his work. तो जो flowers थे उससे उसकी नोज काफी इची हो रही थी, जिसकी वजह से उसको स्नीजिंग हो रही थी। क्लियर? द फ्लावर मेड Horace Danby's nose itch because of hay fever. क्लियर? फिर आता है स्ट्रेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. नन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ए टू डी कैन बी अप्लाइड टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन और कंटेंट. Who asked Horace what is it, a cold or hay fever? किसने पूछा था? It was the mistress of the Grange probably. Maybe it was another thief. C, तो ये B अप्लाई होता है because the lady in the red gown was the another thief. तो B applied to this. ठीक है, so ये हो गया false. ये statement हो गई आपकी false. Next आता है what advice did the lady give Horace regarding his hay fever? Was she really interested in his health? Elaborate in about 40 words with reference to extract. So the lady advised Horace that he could find a cure for hay fever by trying to find which plant he was allergic to. She was not interested in his allergy or its cure. She was rather making fun of him. Clear? Which phrase would correctly substitute buried as given in the extract? So he buried his nose in his handkerchief like this. So he concealed or he covered his face in his handkerchief. अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं. अब वो फुटप्रिंट विदाउट फीट से था, तो वो ये चैप्टर और पार्ट में फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से होगा. सो लेट्स सी कौन सा चैप्टर है. नाउ वी आर रियली गोइंग टू गेट सम वाटर वुमेन. लेटर टू गॉड. The woman was preparing supper, replied, "Yes, God willing." The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all. "Come for dinner." It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10 cents per pieces and the little ones are 5s." Clear? So the first one. These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10 cents per pieces and the little ones are 5s. In which of the following example has the same figure of speech been used to describe raindrop in the above lines? Clear? A, she looked as fresh as morning dew. B, waves heaved heavily. C, glowworms are tiny lights floating around in the forest. तो उसने रेन ड्रॉप्स को मनी से कंपेयर किया था, यहाँ पे हम ग्लो वर्म्स को लाइट से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो यस, इट इज सी पार्ट. ग्लो वर्म्स आर टाइनी लाइट्स फ्लोटिंग अराउंड इन द फॉरेस्ट. क्लियर? How did Lencho's mood progress along with the progress of the rain? Answer in about 40 words. So Lencho's mood, which is hopeful in the beginning, changes to happy when he feels the first drop of rain, and then excited when he notices the size of the raindrop. He compares them to cents. ठीक है. फिर थर्ड आता है, in the statement made by Lencho. Now we are really going to get some water woman. Water denotes rainfall. Which of the following pair does not denote the same relationship? ठीक है. Earth and soil, sun and sky do not have the same relationship. ठीक है. In this statement, the man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Use one word to replace the underlined part of the sentence. So no other reason than. तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं, the man went out for only to have the pleasure of rain on his body. Clear? Now we are moving on to the next question, that is question number 7. Again question number 7 is for 5 marks and इसमें भी RTC है लेकिन poems में से है, और करके 2 options है. You have to attempt any one. तो ये first flight से, तो जोन सी poem आती होगी वो ही attempt करना. ठीक है. Some say that the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. So fill in the blanks with one word. According to the poet, fire refers to violent desires, passion and jealousy. Clear? Then next part is, what does the poet want to convey through the poem? Through the poem Fire and Ice, the poet wants to convey that the world will come to an end either by fire or by ice. Fire here stands for desire and greed, and ice here stands for hatred and rigidity. Clear? Identify the most likely tone of the poet in the given line. So to say that for destruction, ice is also great. So is it a sarcastic, humorous, optimistic or encouraging? So A part is sarcastic. To say that destruction is also great, this is a sarcasm. Clear? How does Robert Frost question the common man? Robert Frost questions a common man and say that he should not forget the bitter reality that everything in this world is transitory and death is inevitable. So man should avoid being too desirous or too different. Clear? अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं कौन सा है, कौन सी पोयम है. All night the root works to disengage themselves from the cracks, the trees in the veranda floor. The leaves strain towards the glass, small twigs stiff with the exertion, long cramped boughs shuffling under the roof like newly discharged patient, half days moving to the clinic doors. Clear? So in what way does the language used in this extract challenge towards ideas of what poetry should be? So the poem has been penned in free verse में लिखी गई है and यहाँ पे heavy symbolism use किया गया है. What is the significance of the use of the word roots and disengage to describe the social change in the poem, and how does this word choice contribute to the overall mood and tone of the poem? Answer in about 40 words. So roots constitute the base of trees. They symbolize the courage and the traditional role of women. The women are struggling to disengage, liberate from the cracks of the veranda floor. The veranda floor symbolizes the burden of domestic duties, and cracks refers to the breaking of the patriarchal notion. The mood and the tone are optimistic. Clear? Next, आता the leaves strain through the glass, small twigs are stiff with exertion, and long cramped boughs are shuffling under the roof. All indicate the presence of these poetic device. कौन सी poetic device है यहाँ पे? एक तो personification use की गई है भाई, person की quality एक non living thing में डाली हुई है, और it is all imaginary. So yes, D part, personification and imaginary. Now complete the sentence. The word in the veranda floor clearly suggests that the changes is taking place. Where? In domestic setups and in society. Clear? यहाँ पे हमारा RTC खत्म होता है. We are moving on to the next question. अब next question जो है वो first flight से. There are 5 questions you have to attempt any 4. हर एक question 3 marks का, and you have to answer in 40 to 50 words. Start with the first question. Who invites the comment? He is dressed like a painter. Why? So anyone who wears half pant which reaches just below the knees invites the comment that he is dressed like a painter, because it was the baker who used to dress like that in the author's childhood days. Clear? Next, why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? The postmaster sends money to Lencho in order to keep Lencho's faith in God alive and firm, as he was completely moved by it. He signs the letter God so that Lencho's faith does not get shaken. Clear? Next, how was Amanda behaving when the poem starts? What did the speaker ask her not to do? So when the poem begins, we found that Amanda was biting her nails. She was hunching her shoulder. She was sitting in a slouching posture. That is why the speaker asked her to behave normally. He asked her not to bite her nails and hunch her shoulders. She should sit up straight. Clear? And next question is, how does the fog spread over the harbour and the city? The fog comes to a city stealthily, matlab silently, just like a cat. It makes no noise. It spread over the harbour and the city and settles over them for some time. Then it rises high and moves away. In this way, the fog arrives over a city, observe it, and then leaves it to move away. Clear? And fifth part is, what was Lumov's opinion about Squeezer? Lumov's opinion about Squeezer was not positive. He considered Squeezer a bad hunter. Lumov was sure that dog's lower jaw was shorter than the upper one. He thought it to be the inferior quality. Clear? अब question number 9 पे आते हैं. There are 3 questions and you have to answer any 2. How did Monsieur Loisel manage to buy another necklace? 3 marks के हैं सारे question, 40 to 50 words में answer करने हैं. So Loisel had 18,000 francs. He borrowed 18,000 francs from different money lender. He bought a chaplet of diamond exactly like Madame Forestier's necklace. Madame Loisel replaced Madame Forestier's necklace without telling her anything. Next, how was Ebright as a student in the school? Ebright was a brilliant student. He earned top grades in his class. When he was in his 2nd grade, he had collected all 25 species of butterflies. He was a keen learner. Next, why was Boli's father worried about her? Boli was not like other children. She was a simpleton. Moreover, she was not a beautiful girl and her face was full of poke marks. Her father was worried about her marriage proposal. Okay, फिर आता है question number 10. Answer any one of the following 2 questions in about 100 to 120 words. ठीक है, अब ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में आंसर करना है. 6 मार्क का एक क्वेश्चन है. Amanda is totally distraught by her mother's behavior. She wants to leave everything and go to her own world. Then she happens to meet Anne and the later tries to tell how parents always worried about their children's behavior. Prepare a set of dialogue between Amanda and Anne based on the poem Amanda and the diary of Anne Frank. You may begin like this. Amanda: I hate everyone at home. How can they pester a child so much? Anne: Amanda: how can you even think like that? ठीक है, you may start like this. ठीक है, उसके बाद आने कंटिन्यू कर रही है. Parents are the most precious things in this world. Amanda: your parents are good. They love you. That is why you say so. You are not in my situation. My mother is very interfering. She keeps on instructing me all the time. Clear? और ये yours है. Annie: Amanda, you have seen the best times, so you can afford to say so. I have been through the times when children were forcefully separated from their parents and they could never meet each other. They had led a life of an orphan. Amanda, so what is wrong in it? I often dream of being an orphan. I think it would be much better if there's no one around to instruct you for everything. Anne sighs, Amanda, who will look into your daily needs and requirements, who will provide you food and shelter, and have you ever realized, give it a thought, they love you and want the best for you. Clear? अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं क्या है. फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से ही होगा इसके और पार्ट में. The message conveyed in the chapter, the sermon at Banaras, people must understand that thinking about one situation will increase one's stress and lead to sorrow, was diligently followed by the pilot in the black aeroplane as he religiously followed the plane and did not praise the question on its presence. If you had to use the message with reference to both the chapter, how will you elaborate it? Also, how it is relevant to both. Okay? So, what will be, will be. Worrying about it does not improve the situation but worsens it further. Kisa Gotami could not accept her fate when she lost her son. She ran from one corner to the other, asking people to help her. Buddha enlightened her and apprised of the reality. Losing the loved one, of course, is heart wrenching, but that has not been accepted as it cannot be reversed. It helps us face the situation. In the case of the pilot in the chapter, the black aeroplane does not flinch even once. He does not get disheartened and he does not lose hope. He faces the situation as it comes to him. It becomes easier for him to bear the consequences. If we leave ourselves to the situation and do our best in the given circumstances, it always relieves us of stress and anxiety. Sorrow is the product of not accepting the bound situation and can be seen our day to day life. Clear? Now we are moving on to the next question. और जो next question है हमारा वो है first footprints without feet से. दोनों क्वेश्चन और करके है. You have to attempt any one. 100 to 120 words में करना है. 6 mark का है. Clear? Once bitten, twice shy. Do you think Horace would ever be able to believe anyone ever in his life? Comment. So it is said that even thieves have ethics. We may give it in the name of professional ethics even. Horace was cheated by one of his own types. No doubt that he was a thief, but he was a thief with ethics. He stole once a year and that as per his need. He did not appear to be greedy and that was the reason that he never got caught. He was meticulous in his preparation and did not leave anything to chance. In this case, he was caught on the wrong foot and was cheated. He will never be able to believe anyone. He would be further cautious about it. For the first time, he let his guard loose and he was trapped. He was chivalrous enough to believe a lady and take her on her face value. This came out to be his undoing, which will make him suffer throughout his life. Clear? और इसके और पार्ट में क्या क्वेश्चन है? Curiosity and motivation are the basic foundation of becoming a successful scientist. These qualities have brought the best out of Ebright. Comment. Ebright would have never been successful as a scientist if he would not have been curious and motivated. He never slackened his effort. Success was not always by his side, but that did not dishearten him. His research on butterfly did not pay him dividend, but that was not a deterrent. His advanced studies on butterfly enabled him to achieve the achievable, and then there was no looking back. There were laurels in his way. Curiosity is infectious and gave us way to even after the other point. From his basic and simple research, he reached the zenith of his career. Had he got disheartened with his earlier failure, he would not have reached where he could. This is the real spirit of being a true scientist and has worked for Ebright as well. तो यहाँ पे हमारा sample paper 27 finish होता है. And yes, if you need the PDF of the sample paper, you can reach us out on the number which is given below. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below so that I can clear your doubt. So soon I will be meeting you guys in my another video. So bye bye everyone.